In a world where AI is redefining the boundaries of possibility, a bombshell lawsuit has set the stage for a clash of titans. Elon Musk, a name synonymous with forward-thinking innovation, is suing OpenAI, the very organization he helped to establish. The defendant? Sam Altman, OpenAI's CEO. The charge? Allegedly betraying OpenAI's original mission of benefiting humanity. This lawsuit isn't just a dispute between two high-profile figures. It's a battle over the direction and ethical implications of artificial intelligence. Musk asserts that OpenAI, under Altman's leadership, has strayed from its open-source, non-profit roots and is now prioritizing profit over humanity's benefit. The contentious point? A partnership with Microsoft, which Musk's legal team argues has turned OpenAI into a closed-source subsidiary. But there's more to the story. At the heart of this case lies a secretive project, a potential game-changer in the world of AI. Its name? QStar for short. This project, shrouded in mystery, is believed to be a significant step towards artificial general intelligence, a development that could revolutionize AI and potentially redefine our world. This is not just a legal battle, it's a struggle for the soul of artificial intelligence. As we delve deeper, we'll uncover the secrets, the allegations, and the potential future of AI. So please subscribe and buckle up and get ready for a journey into the heart of the AI world. At the heart of this lawsuit lies a mysterious entity known as QStar, a leap towards the elusive goal of artificial general intelligence. This enigmatic AI model has been described as a game-changer, a step beyond its predecessors like GPT-4, and it's stirring up quite the controversy in the AI world. You see, QStar is not just another AI model. It's been reported to possess advanced reasoning abilities, even solving elementary math problems, which is a rarity in the AI landscape. But what makes it the talk of the town is its purported claim to a stronger semblance of AGI, a type of artificial intelligence that could understand, learn, and apply knowledge across a wide array of tasks, much like us humans. Now, you might wonder why this QStar is so integral to Elon Musk's lawsuit against OpenAI and Sam Altman. The answer lies in the very essence of OpenAI's commitment. OpenAI, from its inception, pledged to ensure that AGI would benefit all of humanity. But with QStar's development shrouded in secrecy and its licensing agreements with Microsoft under scrutiny, questions are being raised about OpenAI's true motives. Is it about the pursuit of knowledge and the betterment of humanity, or has profit and corporate interests seeped into this noble mission? These questions are not just about a single AI model or a company. They're about the future of artificial intelligence and how it's governed. QStar is more than an AI model. It's a symbol of the power and the risks of artificial intelligence. As we delve deeper into this story, we'll unravel the mystery of QStar, the implications of this lawsuit, and what it means for the future of AI. So buckle up, because this journey is just getting started. Behind the veil of secrecy, OpenAI has been nurturing QStar, a project that could redefine our understanding of AI. This development has been shrouded in mystery, sparking speculation and controversy within the AI community. QStar represents a significant stride towards achieving artificial general intelligence, showcasing advanced reasoning capabilities and proficiency in solving elementary math problems. However, the development of QStar has not been without its challenges. Concerns raised by OpenAI staff researchers led to a dramatic upheaval within the organization, including the ousting and subsequent reinstatement of CEO Sam Altman. These events hint at the gravity of what QStar represents and the potential risks and rewards it could bring. But what is it about QStar that has caused such a stir? QStar is believed to be a fusion of learning and search strategies, potentially enhancing planning and reasoning capabilities in large language models. This ability to successfully solve mathematical and reasoning problems indicates a major advancement in AI, a step closer towards creating machines that can understand, learn, and react like humans. However, as with any technological advancement, QStar brings with it a host of ethical challenges. The development of AI systems that can match or even surpass human capabilities raises questions about safety, control, and the potential misuse of such technologies. OpenAI's mission has always been to ensure that artificial general intelligence benefits all of humanity. But with QStar's development, the challenge is balancing this mission with the drive for technological advancement. QStar is a testament to the power of AI and a reminder of the ethical challenges it presents. As we stand on the brink of a new era in artificial intelligence, The development of Q-Star serves as a stark reminder of the need for ethical frameworks and safety measures in AI development. The journey of Q-Star is not just about technological advancement, but also about the choices we make as a society to ensure that such advancements truly serve humanity. What's in a name? For Q-Star, the answer could hold the key to understanding this game-changing AI model. Let's break it down, starting with the Q. In the realm of artificial intelligence, Q often refers to Q-learning, a technique used in machine learning to determine the best action to take given a certain state. It's a form of reinforcement learning where an agent learns to achieve a goal by receiving rewards for its actions. The more rewards it gets, the better it becomes at reaching its goal. So, in the context of Q-Star, the Q could signify a learning mechanism that continually improves, becoming more efficient and effective over time. Now, on to the star. In computer science, star or asterisk is often used to denote an optimal solution. For instance, in pathfinding algorithms, the A-star algorithm is renowned for efficiently finding the shortest path. It's a smart searcher, excelling at navigating complex scenarios. So, when we think about star in the name Q-Star, we can imagine it symbolizing an optimal searcher or solver, capable of deftly navigating through complex problems and finding the best solutions. Putting it together, Q-Star could represent an AI model that learns and improves over time, always searching for the most optimal solutions. It's a fitting name, don't you think? An AI model that learns, adapts, and optimizes, much like a star navigating the vast expanse of the universe. Of course, these interpretations are speculative. The actual meanings behind Q and star might be different, or perhaps even more profound. But one thing is certain, Q-Star is more than just a name. It represents a significant leap forward in the field of artificial intelligence, bringing us one step closer to the dream, or perhaps the challenge of achieving artificial general intelligence. Q-Star, a fitting name for an AI model that could be a shining beacon or a warning flare in our journey towards AGI. Power dynamics at OpenAI have been as unpredictable as a quantum particle, with leadership changes adding fuel to the fire. In the midst of these seismic shifts, Sam Altman, one of the original co-founders of OpenAI, was ousted from his position as CEO. This surprising move followed growing concerns about his communication style and the direction he was steering the organization. Now, imagine the shockwaves that rippled through the AI community when Altman was reinstated, not long after his dismissal. His return, however, wasn't the end of the leadership shuffle. Mira Murati, OpenAI's chief technology officer, was appointed as the interim CEO, stepping into the hot seat at a pivotal time for the organization. Murati, known for her extensive experience in AI governance and policy, is poised to lead OpenAI through this storm. The board's decision to bring Murati to the helm is a clear signal of their desire to realign OpenAI with its original mission, ensuring that AI benefits all of humanity. Altman's departure and Murati's ascension reflect the board's commitment to independence and a return to OpenAI's nonprofit roots. But what does this mean for the future of OpenAI and its secretive Q-Star project? With leadership changes this drastic, one can't help but wonder if the organization's direction and focus will shift. Will OpenAI continue on its current path, or will we see a return to a more open, collaborative approach to AI development? Leadership changes at OpenAI signal a turbulent time for the organization, with the future of Q-Star hanging in the balance. The shockwaves from Musk's lawsuit are reverberating through the AI community, prompting a flurry of reactions and speculations. The lawsuit has sparked intense debate, with discussions focusing on the legality and ethical implications of OpenAI's shift towards a profit-focused direction. Many are questioning the organization's commitment to its original mission, with concerns raised about the potential for OpenAI to become a closed-source subsidiary of Microsoft. This has led to fears that a shift in power dynamics could compromise the open-source ethos that forms the core of OpenAI's identity. On the other hand, some have argued that the partnership with Microsoft is a necessary step towards the development of AGI. They believe that such collaborations could provide the resources and expertise needed to tackle the monumental challenges that AGI presents. The impact of the lawsuit on OpenAI's relationship with Microsoft is also under scrutiny. The tech giant's investments in OpenAI have raised questions about governance and control, and the lawsuit may further complicate these issues. Microsoft has yet to respond to the lawsuit, and it remains to be seen how this will affect their future interactions with OpenAI. The lawsuit has also drawn attention to the secretive nature of OpenAI's Q-Star project. The model, which is alleged to be a significant step towards AGI, has been shrouded in mystery. This has led to speculation about its capabilities and potential implications for the future of AI. The fact that Q-Star was specifically named in the lawsuit has only fueled these speculations. The wider tech industry is watching closely as the lawsuit unfolds. The outcome could set a precedent for how organizations handle the development and commercialization of AGI. It could also influence the future direction of AI research, particularly in terms of openness and accessibility. As the dust settles, one thing is clear. The outcome of this lawsuit could shape the future of AGI and the role of AI in our society. As the courtroom drama unfolds, the question on everyone's mind is, what's next for OpenAI and Q-Star? The lawsuit lodged by Elon Musk against OpenAI and Sam Altman has certainly sent shockwaves through the industry, creating a cloud of uncertainty over the future of Q-Star. This cutting-edge technology, believed to be a significant step towards artificial general intelligence, has become the eye of a storm that could potentially redirect the course of AI's future. Musk's lawsuit accuses OpenAI of compromising the original nonprofit mission of benefiting humanity, a claim that has sparked intense debate within the tech community. The outcome of this legal battle could set a precedent for how AI organizations operate, particularly those dealing with advanced models like Q-Star. But what about Q-Star itself? This advanced AI model, shrouded in secrecy and controversy, has showcased remarkable capabilities like solving complex math problems, indicating a major leap in AI development. The lawsuit, however, casts a shadow over its future growth and application. The implications of this lawsuit are far-reaching, extending beyond OpenAI and Q-Star. It underscores the urgency of addressing ethical and safety concerns in AI development. The verdict could potentially influence regulatory decisions and the governance of AI projects, impacting the entire tech sector. Looking ahead, OpenAI's leadership transition with the appointment of Mira Murati as interim CEO signals a renewed commitment to its original mission. This transition could steer the organization towards a more balanced approach, harmonizing growth with adherence to mission and governance principles. Lastly, the development of Q-Star is not just about OpenAI, it's about the future of AI itself. As we stand on the brink of potentially revolutionary advancements in AI, the saga of Q-Star serves as a wake-up call. It reminds us that as we push the boundaries of AI, we must also ensure that these innovations benefit humanity and are governed by robust ethical frameworks. No matter the verdict, the saga of Q-Star serves as a stark reminder of the power, potential, and peril of artificial intelligence. As we stand on the precipice of a new era in artificial intelligence, the story of Q-Star serves as a testament to the promise and challenges of artificial general intelligence, or AGI. This development, shrouded in secrecy and controversy, has sparked a legal battle that has reverberated through the tech world, highlighting the complexities and ethical considerations that come with advancements in AI. Q-Star is not just another AI model. This project is believed to have a stronger claim to AGI, a form of AI that can understand, learn, and apply its intelligence to any intellectual task that a human being can. This is a significant leap from previous models like GPT-4, which, while impressive, falls short of this benchmark. The lawsuit involving Elon Musk, a co-founder of OpenAI, and the organization itself has brought Q-Star into the spotlight. Musk's concerns about OpenAI's shift from a nonprofit to a capped profit model and the implications for the development and control of AGI reflect broader concerns in the AI community about the ethical use and governance of advanced AI. The development of Q-Star has been shrouded in secrecy, leading to speculation and concern. But what we do know is that it represents a significant step towards AGI. This development could revolutionize the way we interact with technology, solve complex problems, and potentially even generate new ideas. However, with this potential comes a great responsibility. The development of AGI must be accompanied by strong ethical frameworks and safeguards to prevent misuse and unintended consequences. As the saga of Q-Star unfolds, it serves as a reminder of the need for transparency, collaboration, and stringent regulation in the field of AI. As we look to the future, the developments at OpenAI and the controversy surrounding Q-Star signal a new chapter in the narrative of AI. It's a chapter filled with promise and potential, but also one that requires careful navigation, ethical considerations, and a commitment to ensuring that advancements in AI ultimately serve the benefit of all of humanity. The future of AI is here, and the saga of Q-Star is a crucial chapter in this unfolding narrative.